Alright, I'm over here to the shop, Dad's shop here. Try this again. I shot a bunch of footage of when I was lettering out the engine, and all I got was the back of my head, so let's try that again. Doing it on the intake here now. You can see the Edelbrock on there. I'll show you how we do that here. Just a regular, easy, run-of-the-mill Sharpie. I'll just go ahead and trace her on out. I tried doing this with paint pens, but every time I've tried to use them, too much comes out at once. And it kind of blotches all over it. With the Sharpie, you can really control it. And get your lines in there really good and tight. On the painted block, it's a little easier because you don't have to worry about screwing up so bad. You can always paint over it. It's a little bit different. So if you're trying this for the first time, start on the block. And the more times you go over it, the darker it gets. Kind of different doing Edelbrock. I've done so many Fords that I can almost do a Ford logo freehand now. And just trace her on out. One of these days I'm going to get me an Offenhauser. I haven't. Hey, it'll teach me how to spell that. You don't have to follow exact into it. As the letters are coming in, kind of leave little spots in between, like right there and right there. Gives it like it's overlapping. And you can make some a little bigger, a little fatter lines, narrow lines, right up on the top of the casting. Kind of makes it look like a real 3D signature then. And like I said, the more times you go over it, the darker it'll get. And if you're worried about it staying on there, talk to any body man about what a Sharpie does on a car. It's not very easy to paint over. Let's see. And it always helps to you use a new one, new Sharpie. Just like that. Now we'll do the performer part. You can do this in different colors, but I found that red is the hardest one. When I go to clear coat it, I'll show you how we do that. But the red, for some reason the pigment in the red just goes and it just floods. I don't know why. But black, blues, purples, they all hold in there pretty good. And I sure wish YouTube would let me turn my radio on. It makes it a lot easier to do this. Yeah, get her right on in there. Of course, you can get pretty creative and do your own design if you wanted to. If this was a Volkswagen Bug, I might put a peace symbol in that O. I don't know. Do something different. Like I was saying in that other one, the one that I just got the back of my head on, it's the little details like this that really sets your build apart from everything. And don't be afraid to try it. If it looks perfect, it'll look like you put a sticker on there, or you bought it that way. So there's no such thing as a mistake in it, it's just a brush stroke. Shows it was hand done. Ain't that right, Dad?
That's right.
On our monster truck thumper, it had hand painted on pinstriping, had a flame job on it, an old school flame job, and all the flames were hand painted pinstriped. And boy, I'll tell you, people get up close and look at that and they can see the brush strokes in it, and you can tell it was done by hand. That was such a...
That turned out really good.
Oh man. First they come over and they think it's a wrap, and then they get close to it. Oh, and then they go over the whole truck.
Yeah, because it was hand painted.
Well, that does her there. You can see there how easy, quick it is. That only took a few minutes there, but real easy. Just good old little Sharpie. Then I'll show you how we clear coat it.